Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So children, I welcome you all to the math class. So I'm your teacher Priyanka Raj Bhandari with a topic from your math magic book. So I request you all to open your math magic book. Okay, so children, let us see the day and the date. Today is Tuesday and it is 9th of November 2021. So children, in today's class we will practice the few sums from chapter 10, Play with Patterns. We have done many sums already in the previous class. So children, in today's class we will do page number 149 to 152, in which we will skip one page. Okay, so we have learned about many patterns. You have told me that you have seen many patterns around you. Yes, the grill of the windows, the patterns in which the snake you find in the snake's skin, the patterns which you find in your mother's sari. Yes, there are varieties of pattern, and we have done so many sums from the patterns, and I know you all have enjoyed because there were lots of drawing to do, right? So children, in today's class we will even see the patterns which are formed by odd numbers and even numbers. We have already done what are odd numbers and even number, but let me tell you again, odd numbers are the numbers which ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These all are odd numbers. Okay, the numbers which end with, that means the numbers where the ones position are 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, and even numbers end with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. And even number, you know, it is directly divisible by 2, but odd numbers are not divisible by 2. So these are in short about odd and even numbers. We have already done a lot of things about odd and even numbers. So in today's class you will learn to find the patterns of odd and even numbers also. So let us see briefly what we are going to do today. So in today we will do page number 149, number patterns. Secret message, page number 150 we will not do, so you omit this page. Okay, you cross out this page. Next we will do even and odd number patterns, as I have already told you, in page number 151, and it continues till page number 152. Names in an order. This will be a home assignment. I will give you a few hints about this name in an order. Okay, so let us start our class. In page number 149 you can see number patterns. We have made some patterns with pictures. Yes, we can make patterns with number too, like 21, 41, 61, 81, 101. Yes, after that 111. You know the next number, don't you? Yes, the next number is 111. So this is a growing pattern. It can go on and on. So now next pattern you can see 21, 41, 61, 81, 101, 121, 141. So in this way it is growing pattern. So in number A, look for the rules and continue this growing pattern. So there are patterns, number patterns given. You have to look for the rules and you have to continue the pattern. Okay, so 51, after that 56 is there, after that directly 61, 66. Yes, so next number, what will be the next numbers after 61? 66, 71. So 66 plus how much is 71? 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. After that again 71 plus 5, 76. Again 76 plus 5 is 81. So in this way you will complete the pattern 71, 76, 81. Otherwise you can see that there is 1 and 6 in the ones position. Yes, now next 7 dash is there, 21, 28, 35. So you can see these all are multiple of 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Yes, 7 threes are 21, 28, 35, 7 fives are 35. 7 6 are 42, 7 7 are 49, 7 8 are 56. So you have completed this pattern also. Next 2 4 8 16, very easy. Yes, 2 2s are 4, after that 4 2s are 8, after that 8 2s are 16. So you are multiplying each number with 2. So 32 2s are, you know what is 32 2s are? 32 2s are 64. Okay, next you will multiply 64 with 2. You can do it in the rough portion. So 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12. So the next number will be 128. Now next again you are going to multiply 128 with 2. Correct. So 8 2s are 16. I will write 6 only here. 1 will be added to the tens position. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 1s are 2. So the next number is 256. Okay, so the last one you are going to do it yourself. Last one you can 12a, 13b, 14c. Here is a number with letters, right? So you can continue this pattern very easily. Now next number B, look at this growing pattern. Find out what to add to each number to get the next one. So 1, you can see 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus how many? 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. Next you will add plus 2, 3, 4. Next you will add 5. Yes, so 10 plus 5 is 15. Next you will add 6. So 15 plus 6 is 21. Next you will add, after 6 what will come? 7. So 21 plus 7 is 28. 28 plus what you will add the next number? 8. Yes, so 28 plus 8 is 36. So in this way you will continue the pattern. 36 plus 9. 36 plus 9 is 9 plus 6 5, 15. So that will be 45. Okay, next 0 2 6 4 12. So 0, here they have added plus 2. Okay, so 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6 is 12. So here you all will add the multiple of 2. Next 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Next 12 plus 8 you will add. Okay, so 12 plus 8 is 20. Next multiple of 2 is 10. So 20 plus 10, 30. Next multiple of 10 is 2 6 are 12. So 30 plus 12 is 42. Next is plus 14. Yes, that will be 6 and 5, 56 plus next multiple will be 16. So 56 plus 16 is 72. Okay, so in this way you will continue this this pattern also. 1 3 7 13, 2 3 6 11 18, 1 3 7 13. So here you will add 2 3 4 5 6 7 plus 4. Yes, 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 plus 6. So it will be same as number C. You have to continue the pattern. So 2 3 6 11 18. So I will tell the pattern. Plus 1 3 plus 3 is 6 7 8 9 10 11 plus 5. Yes, 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 plus 7. Next you will do plus 9, because you know we are doing the differences of 2. 3 minus 1 2, 5 minus 3 2, 7 minus 5. So plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. So in this way you are going to do, these all are odd numbers also, children. So in this way you are going to complete the pattern of C and D. So in the next page, children, this one we are going to, no, we are not going to do in the class, so you can cross it out. So the next even and odd number pattern. So I have already told you what are even numbers and odd. So you can see that half these numbers are in yellow. Yes, can you see these numbers are the numbers which are in yellow are even number, and the numbers which are in blue are odd numbers. So you have to continue the same patterns and fill in the blank. So 96, 98, after that you can add 200. Yes, after that 102, after that you can add 2, that will be 104, 106, 108, 110 and 112. So in this way you can continue the pattern. Yes, how far can you continue this pattern? We can continue this pattern as long as we want. Yes, so these numbers have special name. You know that they are even numbers. Do any of these numbers end with 3 or 5? No, because they are even numbers, so they don't end with 3 or 5. Okay, so next, what do even numbers end with? You have to write 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So this is the answer you will write in your book, because we know that even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Look at the pattern of the numbers in blue. Continue the pattern. Now you have to look the patterns in the number which are in blue row, blue column, and you have to complete the pattern. So 99, 101. After that you can plus 2, 103, 105, 107. After that you can add 2, 109. After that you can add 2, 111, 113. So what do the numbers in blue end with? You can write the numbers in blue end with, you can write 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Yes, the numbers in blue end with. When we say that the numbers are ending with, we have to just see the number in the ones position or in the unit place. Okay, so let us move to the next page. All numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called odd numbers. We have already done this, so you must know. Yes, so you write all odd numbers that comes here. You have to write the odd numbers that comes between 400. So what comes up after 400? We have to write odd numbers. The number which is ending with 1, so that will be 401. After that 403, correct. After that 405. After that last 409. Okay, now write all the numbers between 155 and 165. So you have to write the even number. So after 155, what number comes next which end with even number? 156. After that 158. After that 160, very correct. After that 162 and 164. So these are the numbers which end with the even numbers. So if we add 1 to any odd number, if you are adding 1 to any odd number, like for example 3 plus 1, how much? 4. So this is an even number. So if you add any number to 1 to any odd number, you will get, what will be your answer? Very good, you will get even number. And if you add 1 to any even number, now you try with 4 plus 1, you will get 5. So 5 is an odd number. So you will write the answer, you will get an odd number. Okay, now what do you get if you add an even number to an odd number? So let us try this one also. We are adding 2. It is even number and 3. So when you are adding even number to an odd number, you will get what number? 5. 5 is an odd number. So you will get odd number. Here you can write, we will get odd number. Okay, hope whatever if we have done is clear to you all. Now this one is your home assignment, children. Names in an order. Okay, Adil has to arrange this list so that the names starting with A come first and then come with B, C, D and so on. You know, sometimes in your school we give place you according to your alphabet in your attendance register also. Okay, so first alphabet, what comes first? A. Yes, so Adil is there, so we will write 1 in Adil. Okay, next comes B. Anyone is there in B? No. C? No. D? No. E is there always. Yes, so Elvis will be in the second position. So in this way you will do this one. Okay, now Jalaj is proud to have a special name. He says if you read it backward, it is still the same. Yes, if you read it Jalaj backward, it is also the same. Now which of the following names have the same pattern? You can mark from here. So it is Anna, yes, it is Kanak, and yes, Anna and Kanak only. Okay, so we have completed the chapter, children. Whatever we have done, I hope it is clear to you all. I will see you in the next class with a new chapter from your Math Magic book. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you, everyone.